people did not invent an expression what Auschwitz was. It was hell on earth.
The pain is more intense
And they
because
pushed me in that laundry to hide me.
There were corpses all over.
A complete code, thousands of lies.
Get out of the ghetto, then you had a problem.
We will learn, but did we really learn anything?
Auschwitzban végérvényesen összetört.
There was a school that was used for an ammunition dump for the Germans. We had to go and
I suffered probably more from the loneliness and the isolation.
And I saw walking dead people.
I myself don't believe what I went through.
Mine, do you really know it, hands-on?
I felt I had to tell the world what was happening.
The video archive marks the beginning of a crucial documentary and educational resource that will make in this audiovisual age a difference to us, our children, and the collective memory.